hope it is a good new year for everybody. January 1, 2019. No fireworks last night. Just get where I need to go, then get it parked. Same as every other day. So we're gonna get back on the road, get back on 85 here. We're gonna take that till we get on I-26. Take that back up into North Carolina. Take that up towards Asheville. Then we're gonna get on I-40. Take that through the gorge into Tennessee. And make our first stop in Danridge, Tennessee, for our first load check of the day. Alright. And we're just going to keep working our way up to up towards Chicago way. Hopefully we have a good 600 mile today. But like I said, speeds in the gorge get down to 50 miles an hour for trucks, so you know, gonna have a little delay for that. And I got to deal with this traffic here on Gaffney, on I-85 near Gaffney. Southwards are about 15-20 miles. You know, that gets down to 60. So we will do what we can. We'll do what we can. Change our mind and let's go here to the Loves. I've never actually been over to the Loves, so let's go ahead and give it a shot. We might actually go to this Sonny's Barbecue right next door. Give them a try.
In 600 feet, turn right on West Cumberland Gap Parkway, US 25, and then make a U-turn if possible in 0.8 miles. In 500 feet, take the entrance to the left on I-75 South.
As many times as I've been here to Corbin, you know, spending the weekend, you know, doing a reset. Many times I've been by. This is the first actual time I'm coming over here to the Loves. Ready. Come on, make up your mind what you're doing. Well, let's go around this way first, and we're going to pull right through that spot if this Pam Transport doesn't take it, or somebody else doesn't take it. Ready. All right. Yeah, we'll just actually back into the spot over here. Screw that. Back into a spot right here. Ready. We are just about to get off here at Whiteland, Indiana. So we've done about 530 miles today. So, you know, that's good enough for today. I ain't worried about it. You know, we'll get off here, and like I said, It's just basically 4:15 right now. Go in and get a shower. While we're in the shower, we're going to do our dishes. Then when I get back in the truck, then I'll make something for dinner.
In a half mile, take exit 95, Whiteman and then turn left 0.3 miles.
Then we'll work a little video. Get some trash thrown away, because that definitely needs to be done. I got a bit of pile up of trash.
0.3 miles.
Yeah, plenty of parking here at the old Flying J. So, I mean, the pilot over there, I'm not as big a fan of that pilot as I am of this Flying J. Even the Loves is better than that pilot, in my opinion. So, Flying J it's going to be. So, there's plenty of parking. They got the blue beacon over on this side.
In a half mile, turn right on North Hurricane Road.
Yeah, right.
In a half mile, make a U-turn if possible.
I wish they'd make this way a little bit wider, give her the potholes, because I typically don't like going through the pumps, you know, unless I absolutely have to. But, you know, it's just one of them things. Put on our flashers. And then we will back ourselves right into a spot. I can see some lines on the ground. That'd be nice, but move over a little bit more. Need to put some lines on the ground that everybody could see. And so we'll move over just a little bit more there. just to make sure we got enough room for the other guy. Now that may be a little too much, but kind of a boo-hoo. Type situation, but you know, do what we can. I've entered a high enforcement state. No kidding. All right, so we do a post trip, and then we'll go inside, get showered, dishes, then dinner. All right, see our load's riding just fine. Straps are tight. That's all riding just fine. Yeah, we got a big old nail in our tire we picked up somewhere. So we're gonna have to get that addressed. Ugh. Let's see this side, really low flat, you know, thing got a tear there, gotta fix that. But either it's too cold, it's raining, or I don't have the time. But other than that, not too bad.